Today, 53 years ago, 3,000 people came out on the streets. 300,000 in front of the Potala Palace, demanding independence, protecting His Holiness the Dalai Lama. 2 days later, when the streets of Lhasa was filled with blood, when no brother, no father came back home, the sisters and the mothers walked out on the streets. That was the Champa Revolution. Longsho, Champa Sangye Hunsu Longsho. Rise up, Champa eaters, rise up. Tibetans were taken to prison. Tibetans were asked, are you a rice eater? Are you a Champa eater? Tibetans proudly said, I'm a Champa eater. They were shot. That is the difference. We eat Champa. 53 years later, Tibetans are dying in Tibet. 26 self-immolations, hundreds in prisons, thousands in prison, people shot on the street. People are calling for the Champa eaters to rise up again. People are on the streets of Lhasa after 53 years, still demanding independence, still demanding the return of the Dalai Lama. That is the Champa Revolution. China has seen the air filled with Champa. The Champa is all across Tibet. It has come, flown into exile. And from those ashes of those 26 courageous Tibetans will rise a new nation, a new Tibet, a free Tibet. That is the Champa Revolution. Today, at Union Square, I call all of you to bring forth the Champa Revolution. Be the Champa eater. Be the Champa eater. Longsho. Champa Sangye Longsho. Champa Sangye Longsho. Begalo.